Welcome students to another episode of SB Maths class. We were discussing about the coordinate geometry, and at the previous video we have seen the important formulae of the coordinate geometry and also some of its derivations. Today we will do the applications of those formulae. I am showing the applications from the R.S. Agarwal book. So exercise 6a. Question number 5. Find the values of x for which the distance between the points P, x4 and Q, 9, 10 is 10 units. So obviously it is the application of the distance formula. So the distance formula, it was x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. So here if we take Px4 as x1 y1 and Q 9 10 as x2 y2. So here it will be 9 minus x whole square plus 10 minus 4 whole square equals to 10. So let us solve this one. So obviously it will be 9 minus x whole square equals to 100 minus how much it is coming? 6, so 36, so it is coming 64. So 9 minus x equals to plus minus 8, so x will be equals to 9 minus plus 8, and so it is 1 or 70. The value of x is either 1 or 70. Okay, then let us do number 13. Number 13. Here, find the coordinates of the point equidistant from three given points. The given points are A 5 3, B 5 minus 5, and C 1 minus 5. So let the point P xy is equidistant from A, B and C. So we have to form the equations at first and then we will solve the result. So first of all, AP equals to root over x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Then this is units. BP equals to root over x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square units. Let us equate those two at first. Since AP equals to BP, so x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Those two terms will be cancelled out, and so the result will be y square minus 6y plus 9 equals to y square plus 10y plus 25, and so here it will be y equals to minus 1. So when y equals to minus 1, then here we have to bring another line segment or the distance, that is CP, that is root over x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. So from those two, that is if I do it here, that is BP equals to CP, since BP is equals to CP, then obviously I am doing directly x minus 5 whole square equals to x minus 1 whole square. If you have not understood, then just ask me or comment me at the comment box. Here it is minus 10x plus 25 equals to minus 2x plus 1, and so it will be x will be minus 3. So obviously the coordinate of the coordinate of P is minus 3 and minus 1. This is our result. So in this way we can solve those examples. Now students, let us do question number 19. So that the points A 7, 10, B minus 2, 5 and C 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 are the vertices of an isosceles right triangle. Isosceles right triangle. So two facts are here. One is isosceles, another is right triangle. So first of all, let us find the distance or the measurement of the sides of the triangle ABC. So we have to find here the distances AB, BC and AC. So we have applied the rule of the distance, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and root over actually. So here it is root over 9 square plus it is 5 square. Here it is root over 5 square plus 9 square again, and here it is 4 square plus 14 square. So just see, from here only we can say that is those two distances are equal. So obviously those are unit solved. So obviously this triangle is isosceles. So triangle ABC is isosceles where AB is equals to BC. Now right triangle means actually the hypotenuse square equals to sum of the side square. So here actually that is the Pythagoras theorem. So here let us see AC square, it is coming how much? So 4 square plus 14 square, so it is 16 plus 196, and so it is coming 212 units. Let us see AB square plus BC square, how much it is coming. So it is 2 into 81 plus 25. So it is coming 2 into it is 6 and 10 106. So it is also coming 212 units. So AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So obviously triangle ABC is right triangle. So in this way you can prove, you can solve all of these examples. Those are very much easy. The distance application of the distance formula is very much easy. Just 1, 2 or 3 mark question can come in your exam paper. So obviously you will practice all of these. Your homework will be, I am listing your homework. Exercise 6A, all the sums. You have to do those homeworks because those are very much important. You will see all of these. Just see, all of here, those are marked as CBSE papers. Just see, all are here marked as CBSE. So obviously those are very much important. You have to practice a lot, and if you have any types of problem, then you will ask me at our personal WhatsApp group or at the online WhatsApp class. So thank you students.